Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Football Universe Roblox, updated. Create your Roblox account, install the game, and pick a kit to jump into training drills. Learn basic controls, how to sprint, pass, and tackle, and adjust camera angles for better field awareness. Practice shooting from different positions and join casual matches to learn team play. Stay patient and focus on positioning to improve quickly. Mastering movement is key to enjoying Football Universe. Use WASD or arrow keys for precise motion and hold sprint to close gaps or chase down plays. Combine sprint with directional changes for quick jukes and use jump during headers or to avoid tackles. Practice passing while moving to keep possession and learn when to conserve stamina. Smooth movement helps you control matches and supports smarter decision-making. Team tactics separate casual players from consistent winners in Football Universe. Pick a role and stick to its responsibilities, like staying back as a defender or making timed runs as a striker. Communicate with teammates using quick chat to call plays and signal passes. Prioritize short passes to maintain possession and exploit gaps with well-timed long balls. Learn to rotate positions slightly when teammates push up to keep balance and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.